Okay guys, Mo and Wilder's going to show you how to make homemade honey mustard. There's our mayonnaise. That's 1 big spoon. Get another one. Get another one. Look. All that. Okay. Okay, hurry up now.
You got it?
What happened? Oh, okay. Need more. Get big spoons.
Big.
Get big spoons. There you go. That's okay. Now get one more and then that's all we'll mix up.
Okay.
Okay, this is a mayonnaise heavy honey mustard. Some people like mustard heavy honey mustard, but we don't. Okay, now Mo's adding the honey. No, you need way more honey than that, babe.
We want to do that too.
Well, you can't do them both.
Baba, hey. Hey, Baba.
Well, she wants to do that one, Wawa. Here, you take the honey. You do the honey, because it's hard to mash anyway, so the man needs to do the honey. Shake it down. But wait and let Wilder get through. Okay, push it hard. Okay, push it hard.
Wait.
Push Mo. Here.
No, me.
You gotta put your palms together.
Do it, girl, do it. Gotta have a lot of honey.
You can do that.
Yeah, okay, let Mammy do the honey. Okay, let's get this honey in here. It's coming out very slow. That's about 2 tablespoons. And that's probably about 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise.
Mommy, so
That's mustard.
I said no.
Now, now you can squeeze it. Now, we don't want a whole lot of mustard. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, now let's mix it up. Then we're going to taste it. And we may have to doctor it up a little bit. Well, you got to stay on the camera. Okay.
No,
Okay.
Be
Well,
careful,
look.
Mo. You getting it? You gotta.
You
throw
gonna
it
get
like
it out.
this.
Yeah, you got to get that honey out the edges.
You like it? What you think about it?
It's looking about the right color. Matter of fact, it looks a little yellow for me, but that's okay. Now let Wilder mix up. I see some honey, but let Wilder mix up just a little bit. Well, taste it. Taste it. Mo loves honey mustard.
Give me your pay for me.
Get it. That's right. Get in them edges and get all that honey.
Smells good.
Guys, the way we like our honey mustard, we like a heavy mayonnaise base with a little bit of mustard, and then you want enough honey that when you taste it, you can taste the honey. You don't want to overpower them, but you want to be able to taste it.
Mix up.
Can Mammy mix it up just a little bit?
Yes. I'm gonna do it one time.
One more time.
Yay.
Okay, thank you.
Can you send me some balls?
Oh, wait, it's not really quite ready yet.
Wait, no, that's mine. That's for my mac and cheese and stuff for that. For me.
We'll get one Mo Wilder. Don't worry about her. Okay, it's starting to look real good. Chicken and mac and cheese. Okay, that looks good. It's a little more yellow than I like, but it's still good. Let's taste it. I think it might need more honey. We're going to put just a tiny bit more honey. Tiny bit more honey.
My voice can't eat it out before you get it honey in there.
Boy, this honey is thick.
It's cold.
It's not my preferential honey either.
No, mine either.
So it has a little bit different taste. You know, all honey tastes different. This one's not one of my favorite honeys. But it's a cheaper honey. And right now we have to go with cheaper. Now, let's taste it and see.
No.
Let me taste
You
it.
want to taste it? Oh, that's perfect. That is perfect. That's perfect, guys. Perfect.
That tastes like Mommy
Strawberry.
Mommy,
Okay. All right, that's it, guys. Tell them, say, love ya.
I love
So y'all tune in again.
Bye.
Wait a minute. No, you don't pour it all in your bowl. Girl, that's for everybody. All right, love you guys.
you.